Attention, crew. Fasten your seatbelts. Our time machine is about to take off. Today we don't travel back in time to kings and dinosaurs. Today we travel back in time to the heroes of the sky. More than 100 years ago, for names opened the skies to humanity. Raymonde de Laroche, the first woman to receive a pilot's license. Amelia Earhart, who dared to cross the oceans. Orville Wright, who built the first airplane with his brother. And Charles Lindbergh, who flew solo across the Atlantic. They didn't just fly. They proved that the impossible can be achieved. And now, the adventure isn't over. Want to know who the next heroes of the air will be? It could be you. Today, wings are no longer just for carrying passengers on huge planes. Now, city skies are filling with new explorers. Drones. Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing tiny flying taxis, carrying people, drones delivering medicine in minutes, or food in the air. Ground traffic disappears. Everything moves quickly and safely in the urban sky. Who's controlling those drones? New pilots, not with a leather helmet like Amelia, but with modern helmets, giant screens, and video game controls. Want to know a secret? In a few years, there will be a highly sought-after profession, that of urban drone pilot, a profession that will allow you to pilot flying taxis for passenger transport. As an orchestra conductor, you will control air fleets, pilot dozens of drones flying over the city, and become an aerial rescuer, piloting drones into dangerous places where humans cannot go, saving lives. And you know what's best? Many of you now 8, 10, or 12 will be ready right when these professions take off. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine you're at the top of a skyscraper. A small landing strip stretches out before you. Your taxi drone is ready for takeoff. The city sparkles. The cars below you are stuck in traffic, but you're flying above. Where would you go first? To get your best friend to school in minutes? To save someone from a dangerous building? Or to deliver a life-saving medicine? Every mission will be an adventure, and you will be the hero. Just as they were pioneers a century ago, you can be the pioneers of tomorrow. Men and women who not only dream of flying, but who will make cities breathe easier, make people travel faster, and accomplish the most daring missions. Giant airplane pilots, of course they'll still exist. But you, yes, you could be the first drone pilot in your neighborhood, the engineer designing flying taxis, or the adventurer controlling a fleet from the ground. The sky is limitless, and neither is your future. Ready for takeoff? If you enjoyed this journey into the future of aviation, don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiring content. See you in the next video.